In this video, we're going to show you how to make a REST API call to Flowrite using basic authentication. So let me go ahead and open up this Git. And so here we have to set up some parameters. So I'm going to give a certain user. So I'm going to give Mark as the username that we want to get information about this user. Since we're going to use basic authentication, I have to go into authorization and select basic auth. And here I have to provide a username and password. So I'm going to go ahead and give the default username and password. So I'm going to say admin at Flowrite 10 exclamation. And now if I say send, this should run and come back with the information for user Mark. So you can see it brought back the data, and this is using basic authentication.